Ganda ng bintahan, kita mo ba yan?
Oo nga eh.
Ang ganda pa sa'yo.
Pero ah, wala na
Sana
kaya.
kaya.
Mas maganda pa rin
Pag
sa'yo.
ganyan, pag may nagsalita. Pag wala may salita, game na.
Sige na. Laksa mo kayong volume, ha?
Asan na? Be, mupo ka lang. Huwag kang pala. Dali, sarap. Asan yung remote? Kuya, remastered yun ako. Hindi ganyan ang itsura nila. I mean, inulit pala nila yung one. Okay.
Nagsisalita na si Sarah.
Shut up!
You're still doing that. It's late.
What time is it?
It's way past your
That
bedtime.
means still today.
Please, nobody, I do not have the energy for this.
Nararamdaman ako.
What's this?
Ba't iba yung kulay niya? Tignan mo kulay purple. Yung nung controller. Kulay purple.
Di ba kayo aura, kuya, nung si ano?
Saan
Sa
yun?
cinematic.
I'm playing with that broken watch. So,
Watch!
I don't like it.
I don't know, this is... Think about this, Becca. I think it's stuck. It's not...
what? No. Oh, ha.
Where'd you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Man, start helping out with the mortgage.
Yeah, you would.
May pagkala. What the fuck? Oh, nagbabibrate. I feel Sarah. Ako si Sarah eh.
Sarah.
Sarah Eronimo.
Sarah Labati.
Sarah na mati.
Oh!
Anong movie yung kulay? Sarah na mati.
Oh, ano nga, ano nga.
Sarah na mati. Ano ko yung Martin pinatawag na? Skip.
Wag!
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
Uncle Tommy?
Nakatawag ba?
Manood ka naman. Ang ganda mo ng graphics. Sino mo
Who's that?
I'm moving! Ayan! What the fuck? Tignan yung kwarto, guys. Wala kayong magagawa ko nung may controller. Tignan yung kwarto. May beanbag tayo.
Parang streamer siya eh.
Tignan mo kasi bawat ano yan, details niya.
Dang it. I forgot to give this to him.
You're not a fossil yet. I'll be right. Never you can't listen. Tonight. Ayun. Happy birthday. Oh.
Sarah na mati.
Can I run? Wala.
Youngster.
Dad?
Shit! Ganda, no?
Oh my God.
Ang ganda.
Go! CR lang. Maganda. Very realistic.
14 talaga yung ulit.
4K ba ito kaya?
Yung TV? Oo. Okay.
Admittance spikes in area hospitals. Yun na.
And consume.
300% increase in mysterious infection. The newspaper pala dun. Food and Drug Administration investigation drops. Crazed woman killed husband and 3 others. Oh, wow. Several 911 calls in Westlake Hills upon discovery of the murder scene. Sandra Rivers. Mga binabahan sila mga streamers.
Diretso lang.
Antok na yun, Sarah.
Daddy?
Oh no.
received reports that victims afflicted with the infection showed signs of increased aggression and there seems to be some commotion coming from the...
Oh! Ay! Ay, yung controller! Oh, what the fuck? Can I run?
Not yet. Wala pa, hindi pa yata. Hindi pa pwede na.
Ay, sorry.
Sino tayo ma-R1? Saan po nakakatakbo? Wala hindi.
Wala, kuya. Apo. Ano? Nakagalan sila. Teka, kinakabahan ako. Ay, nadapa.
Manood na lang.
Free?
Click mo yung ano, click mo yung left na. Yan, click mo yan.
Oo, para makita. Okay.
8 missed calls. Hello, are you home on her way?
Okay, makita ko dito. Going to be home late tonight. Go ahead and order food to you in the morning.
Where is he?
Ay, may note dun? On this game for a decade. Hindi tayo lalabas. Relax.
Sir, are you okay?
Yeah?
Is anyone come in here?
I'm here.
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
It's the Coopers. Somebody arrived with them. I think they're sick.
Kind of sick.
Jimmy!
Dad?
Come here. Come here. Jimmy!
You can see her face more.
Jimmy, I'm warning you!
You shot him.
Oh my god, poor baby.
There's something bad going on. You've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Ate Book. Ate Book.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there? I got some. Holy shit. You got blood all over you. Let's just get out of here. They say half the people in the city lost their minds.
Eto.
Some sort of parasite or something.
Sabi lang ano yan.
Okay.
You gonna tell me what happened? Later. Hey, sir. Hey,
Ay,
hold
puta
on.
na lang nga si Sarah kung saan malilingon. Bangi.
Here's on the radio.
Yeah, sure thing.
Okay.
2014 yan.
Go yun, 2014. Actually, hindi pa nga ito yung graphics niya. Parang dinayos na nila.
Yeah, we're doing great.
Tapos may ibang version pa ng
These
remaster
men
pa.
wouldn't shut up. He said, where we go? He said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County. You need to get the hell out. Take 71. That's where I'm at.
Ano naman?
They say I'm entertained.
Nalaro mo na ba yun before?
Found this one
Hindi
family
ko,
on
ano ko, hindi ako
Thomas.
hindi ko nga natapos ng una eh. Kasi parang, ano na lang siya. Ginawa na sa akin.
Christ, how did this happen? They got no clue.
God. Ah!
But we ain't the only town.
Nagkagulat ako sa controller.
It's just a sound.
Nararamdaman ko yung lubak ng daan.
Oh, hell. That's what it's
God.
for.
Ang ganda!
That song that's made now.
Grabe, biyanta mo. Tawa ka mo, Ash. Lubak-lubak.
No, of course not.
Oh, lubak-lubak kasi yung daan na.
They
Bawal
said
late.
it's just
Oo.
We're good.
Iba pa rin, di ba? Parang...
We're fine. Trust me.
Okay.
See what they need. What do you think you're doing? Keep driving. We got a kid, Joe. So do we.
We have room.
Keep driving, Tom.
No!
Joe, oh.
See what I see.
Malambot at matigas yung
Someone else
video
come
natin.
along.
Should have.
Yeah. Well, GG. I'm Sarah. San Antonio tayo, be.
This is bad.
Oh my God.
Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
Highway.
We could just backtrack and... Tommy! Tommy!
Holy shit!
Hindi pa pala rin Tommy.
What just happened? What the fuck just happened? Did you see that?
Yes, sorry.
God damn it.
Turn here, turn here.
Mga tao.
Dude, move.
Mga tao, mga tao, mga tao.
Get us in here. I'm trying.
Oo nga yan. Why are they going somewhere na tinatakbo ng mga tao, di ba?
Can't stop here,
I
Tommy.
can't fucking
Ikaw to?
drive through them! They're back out there! They're behind me too! There! Hold on! Go!
Ayun.
Ayun, patay. GG.
Wasted.
Yung GG, boy. Patay. Nakakawa.
Huwag yun o.
Umabot sila.
Ayun, bibigyan natin. Yang.
Swear.
Oh, he's playing.
Ano, pinagtripan ng katawan. Sabay takbo. God.
Come here, baby. Let me go. Give me your hand. What is it?
It hurts.
How bad?
We're gonna need to run.
Keep us safe. Come in.
Go! That's it? Ito na yung bilis ko?
Daddy, I'm scared.
Keep your eyes closed, honey. Dude, watch out!
Si Tommy!
Sa likod mo.
I know.
Keep looking at me, baby.
Can you run? God!
Grabe.
Where's Tommy? Sa likod ko? Ayun, ayun.
There's too many of them. This way, through the alley. Go! He's dead.
God damn it.
We're almost there. We're almost there, baby. Look at through the fence. Keep going. Find your way.
Ito na yung mabilis ko, guys!
Move it.
Ah!
Get to the highway. Go. You got Sarah. I can outrun him.
Uncle Tommy?
I'll meet you there. Hurry.
Daddy, we can't leave it.
He's gonna be fine.
Okay.
We're almost there.
Okay. Get closer. Ay! Ay! Oh my God! Takbo lang! Kuya, takbo lang. Ito! Ito na yun! Takbo na!
Wala, nabuhay na siya. Yeah, huwag ka natakbo kuya. Tumatayo yung balik.
Nice.
Oh no.
Hey, we need help. Stop. It's my daughter. I think her leg's broken. Stop right there.
Oh no.
You're not sick.
Got a couple civilians in the alley. Please advise.
Dito, dito ka na, dito.
There's a little girl.
No, get home.
Yes, sir.
We've just been through hell. We just need.
Fuck you.
Fuck yeah!
Move your hand. No. Listen, move this way. You'll be okay, baby. Stay with me.
Baby siya.
I know. Come on, baby, please. I know, baby.
Oh my God.
Sarah.
Namatay siya.
Oh,
Kalungan pa naman siya, ha?
Matigas na si Joel. Nanda kaya.
Pwede sino ko dyan?
Oo, yan. Yan, sira yung relo. Oh.
sira nga yung relo niya. Oh, welcome to the last of us, dorks.
Hindi na rin, di ba?
Ayun na, makinig.
The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies lying in the streets. Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
Pero, posible kasi siya.
We can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine.
Wait, you gotta be.
Continue for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for those attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged fireflies.
Rise with us.
Ashley Johnson.
Remember when you're lost in the darkness? Look for the light. Believe in the fireflies.
Okay. Summer. So, yung chapters niya, seasonal. Summer, fall, winter.
Ganda.
Yung narinig ko yung katok dun. Sila mo yung jump ko yan.
20 years na.
20 years ito. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, Joe.
I'm coming.
Tara na apartment niya.
Zombie.
How was your morning?
Patay na si Sarah.
Sarap naman.
No.
Ito mo yung, ano nun?
Yeah.
Tour nun?
Yeah,
Di mo full.
dito ko na lang.
Some news for you. Where were you